Morning guys, October 3rd, 2023. Later in the day, I gotta go by one of the daycares after they close and check one of the toilets. They say it won't flush. I think it's probably baby wipes down inside the pipe, most likely. But I gotta go there and snake it first, see if I can get if it's something in the toilet. If not, you're gonna have to call the drain guy and snake the main drain. This is like on a slab, so I don't know. This is an ongoing issue. It might be an issue with the piping, or it might be a sag in the piping somewhere, but I think that they're flushing baby wipes down there. It's a daycare for kids, babies and stuff, and they're told not to throw the baby wipes down the toilet, but you know what happens when it's full of shit, right? Where do you think it's gonna go? In the bucket? I doubt it. I'll try to get you some shots over there. Oh, baby wipe. Baby wipe bandit, I bet you. Get that shit down inside the cast iron pipe. I mean, you almost never get that stuff out of there. Like flushing rags down a pipe. You might clear it to get it to go down, but you never get them all. Closet augers, I got two kinds. There's two type of heads there. I usually like to do the small one first, but that other one's for like retrieving stuff. Let's try the small one first and see if we get it to. There's something. Sometimes this will work, but sometimes that other one's better. Got some leftovers from last time. Look at all these diapers. You know, these are fucking baby wipes. What's this say? Do not flush. How much you want to bet? We're all going in the flipping shitter. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it to. See if we can snake it. If not, I'll call Mr. Drain Man. Yeehaw. What do you think? This thing goes all the way in there. Yep, and it did. There's nothing in the toilet. It might be. There might be something in there. Oh, she went through. Get the water off. What the hell's going on? Well, that's open. Oh, the flapper's broken. Maybe that's why. Flapper broke. I'm gonna get another flapper for it, for one. The new flapper. Let's see if it flushes. I don't snake main drains. I want nothing to do with it. I don't want nothing to do with snaking the main drains. Unfortunately, this is one of those bucket flushes. Kind of broke right there. It's time for a new one. This is back when there was a 3.5 gallon flush jobbies. 3.5 or 1.6, I'm not even sure. She's going down, Mama. Oh man, that's gonna be next level. Next level, yo. I think she's kind of high. I guess that's the line right there. Wow, it's pretty flippin' high. She's pretty flippin' high, Mama. Let's see if I can turn that down a little bit. Let's see what happens. Man, she's going way up to the top there. I could bend the arm too. I could bend the arm down like that a little bit. There is an adjustment thing on it, but we'll see. Might have to put a new fill valve on it. Getting old. Getting old and crusty, Mama. Aren't we all? I don't need that much water in there. What the flipping line is on that thing. Not way up there, I don't think. That's about what we need to be. I think that's better. On about 3/4. Cover back on.